Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can post something in your project on Basecamp in 2026. So let us guide you through this. Head over to your project on Basecamp, navigate to the message board and click into write a message here. Like for example, an announcement for your team inside your project. Click into new message in the top left and after that will be posted here on that feed. Click into it, type in your message title. And you may customize the title as well as the content or text of the given message here. I don't know, announcement or something like that. And you may apply bold letters, italic letters, use a heading, and so on and so forth. Click into save as draft or post this message. You may also schedule it for later. And then it will be posted here on your message board in your project. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.